Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a free AWS account. As you know, Amazon Web Services or AWS is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of cloud computing services. So whether you are a developer or a student or just curious about cloud computing, having an AWS account can be very beneficial. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to aws.amazon.com. Click on the first link. This is the official AWS website where you can sign up for a free account. On the AWS homepage, click on Create an AWS account button to begin the sign up process. So here, put the root user email address. So you'll need to enter your email address. So make sure it's a valid email address because you'll need to verify it later. Here, enter your account name. Don't worry, you can change it later. And click verify email address. Now, check your email inbox for a verification email from AWS. Copy the code and paste it here. Then click on verify. Now that your email address has been successfully verified, enter your password. Make sure to put a strong password and click continue. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information such as how do you plan to use this account? Is it for business or personal use? Well, you'll choose personal use. Next, you'll need to enter your name, your phone number, and address. This information is very necessary for account security and billing purposes. So let me fill it in and I'll be right back. Read and agree to the AWS customer agreement and hit continue. All right, next, AWS requires a credit or a debit card to create an account, even for free tier. AWS uses your credit card to verify your identity, and they'll temporarily hold $1 USD as a pending transaction for 3 to 5 days. So enter your payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged unless you use services beyond the free tier limits. So I'm gonna fill this and I'll be right back. If your billing address is the same as what you entered in the previous screen, then choose my contact address here. But if you have a different address associated with your card, then select use a new address and fill that out. Once you're done, we're gonna click verify. Next up, you'll need to verify your phone number. We can do this by text or voice call. So enter your mobile number here and then enter the security check. So I'm going to do SMS, so I'll click send SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it here and then click continue. AWS offers different support plans. For now, select the basic support plan, which is free. You can upgrade to a paid support plan later if needed. And then I'll hit complete sign up. All right, you have completed all the steps. Now, behind the scenes, AWS is activating your account. This usually takes a few minutes, but can sometimes take up to 24 hours. So you'll get an email address once your account is activated. But you can now sign in into your AWS account. So let's click on go to AWS Management Console. Now log in with the email address I used to create the account. Then hit next. I'm gonna enter the password. Then click sign in. And that's it. You have successfully created your free AWS account. You can now start exploring the services that AWS offers. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AWS tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.